Kia Sportage QL. Headlight bulb replacement. If you see the message, check headlight, don't panic. Here's a quick guide on how to replace the headlight bulb in your Kia Sportage. 1. Switch off the ignition and open the hood. 2. Turn the protective cap counterclockwise and remove it. 3. Turn the bulb to the left and carefully take it off. 4. Remember not to touch the bulbs, as fingerprints can cause it to burn out quickly. 4. Replace the bulb with a new one and install it. 5. Ensure that you have connected the connector. 6. And don't forget to screw the protective cap back on. Start your car, the vehicle will check the bulbs, and the "check headlight" message on the dashboard will disappear. There is a link below the video where you can purchase the headlight bulb for your Kia Sportage. Turn signal bulb replacement. Don't panic if this message appears. You can replace your turn signal bulb in just 3 quick steps with this simple guide. First, switch off the ignition and pop the hood. Next, gently twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it out.
To replace this turn signal bulb, just push it down a bit and turn it off.
Insert the new bulb into the socket and install it back into the headlight. When you restart your vehicle, the warning message will disappear from your dashboard. As you can see, this procedure is simple and can be done by the vehicle owner without special tools. The purchase link for the required bulb is available in the video description below. Good luck with the repair, and drive safely and with confidence.